In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Hulu cannot download shows. The first thing you want to do is check your Hulu plan. Go to Hulu and then make sure that your plan supports download and no ads plan only. Simply go ahead and ensure that you're logged in into the right account. Downloads are not available across different profiles. Log out and log back in to refresh your session. Also, a stable internet connection is required to download. Connect to a Wi-Fi for the best download speed. If you don't have enough space, that could be a problem as well. Simply go ahead and clear space for downloads. If your application is not up to date, make sure that you update your Hulu application on time, and you can also check the download settings and ensure allow downloads is turned on. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and remove and re-add the download, delete the failed download, try downloading the show again. You can try disabling your VPN or even restarting the Hulu app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.